Good morning. Morning. Happy Wednesday. How's everyone doing today? Good? Morning. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Let's go. Another day in the market. Looking bearish. Okay, so today my main watch is SPY. My focus is gonna be on SPY today. Buenos días. Um, SPY failed holding yesterday for 17, which for me means that round to 420 was a failed breakout. Right now, like we are at 412.30, which is in the middle of all this craziness here. So I either want to see a SPY go back down to 410 and hold, or go back up to 414, and then I'll be looking for rejection there to play puts. But at 412, we are in the middle of the range, this range. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna be my focus is gonna be a SPY. I also have Meta and AI. I like what AI is doing, but if the thing is, like, AI is holding very good, but if a SPY is bearish, everything's gonna be pretty much bearish. Thank you, Chris. Welcome. Thank you for being here. And thank you for the likes also. Thank you. So, hi Ryan. Um, yeah, so I'm just gonna be watching SPY. And QQQ also, it's either gonna go down to 331, around 331.50. There is a small gap here that I have in blue. That's a very small gap there. I wanna see it filling that and then holding. That should be a good support for QQQ. But yeah. I also have Tesla on my screen. But also Tesla is in the middle of the range. So Tesla, it's either gonna go down to 177 and hold there, and it will be pretty much a break and retest, or we can go back up to 190 and I'll be looking for rejection there, like here. So yeah, I guess we need to wait a little bit until the market opened, and then I'm gonna wait like 20 minutes to see what it's gonna be the trend of the day. And then I'll be looking for either puts or calls. If we are a if spike goes back to 414, I'll be looking for any like rejection confirmation for puts. And if spike goes back down to 410 or 408, I'll be looking for confirmation for a clear support, and then I'll be looking for calls. But yeah, my main plan today is just a SPY. I also have Amazon on my screen just because it was kind of, it would, like when I was looking pre-market, it was kind of strong compared to the rest, but now kind of fade out. And on the daily, Amazon, it's in a clear downtrend here. So you either want to see it go back up to 416.50 and then reject there, or I want to see it go back down to 113 and then hold there. Like this kind of looks like a bull flag, but it will be perfect if can go back down to 47, I'm sorry, for 113 or 114 and then hold there. But again, I don't think this bull flag is gonna play out today because just by seeing what SPY is doing and QQQ is doing, no. Yeah, Tesla print a very bearish candle on the daily, but it's already down too much. It's already at 181. So it will be tricky to play that, to play puts there. Like everything move a lot pre-market. Like QQQ, it's at right now it's at 331. So the gap that I was talking about on QQQ, it's filled pre-market, which is kind of weird. But yeah, you want to see QQQ holding here. 331, 332, around there. So we fill this gap on QQQ. Let's see. Okay, this is your area of support. Yeah, kind of around there. So we have big gaps on everything. We're gonna open, yeah, everything gap down pretty much. The only thing that I see holding is AI. So that means AI is stronger compared to the rest of the market. So if the market is move up today, AI is gonna run. And Meta is also stronger than SPY and QQQ. Yeah, Fed's talking at 2 p.m. So I'm just gonna try to see if I like anything before. I'm not gonna try anything after. Yeah, I gotta stop out on Apple and SPY, both. I think I posted on, yeah, I post that my stop loss was hit. I posted on the Discord. So, yep, that's what I'm looking today. Okay, we're open. Let's see, let's see. TSM crossing angle. Okay. Look, Meta. It's flying already. I hate when stocks do that because it doesn't give me any opportunity to enter. SPY is very weak. But it's right in the middle of all this. So it should go either to 414 and then get reject, or go to 410 or 408 and hold. But right here in the middle, that's very difficult to trade anything. So today we're gonna practice patience. Okay, I like what AI is doing. And I want to see Nazca, QQQ holding here. That's my daily support there. See Meta and AI running with Nazca. They're going, both are gonna run very hard. Mm, I'm feeling like taking calls here on AI. The only thing, and because I like what QQQ is doing, the only thing is that I don't like where Spy is at and what it's doing. Spy looks bearish right now. Yeah, it's kind of trying, Spy is trying to hold pre-market low, but it's still under 90 MA and the VWAP, so that's bearish. QQQ trying. QQQ might go back here to fill this gap from yesterday till 333.30 and then rejects there. We'll see. Yeah, QQQ looks like wants to fill the gap, but first it needs to break 332.40. Yeah, QQQ looks like it wants to fill the gap to 333.30 and then might reject there because right now the overall trend is bearish. Yeah, 28. So far, HD, Apple, Meta, and AI and Netflix are the one that are strong and are running with QQQ. Tesla, Nvidia are very weak compared to the rest of the market. Let's see. Yeah, I really like AI. I just don't love the market. Ooh, Amazon is breaking this downtrend. So Amazon, it's the other one that it can run like very hard here because it's very strong. Look, it you want to see it holding above um pre-market high, which is 116.50 around there. 116.40. But the one that I love is AI. Yes, SPY is very weak. Okay. QQQ definitely is stronger than Spy, and I do. I like QQQs for call. I really like QQQs for calls here. I I was thinking on getting calls here at 331 at open, and I like this candle even though it's bearish. I like that it's holding here, but it's just a Spy. It looks very bearish. So when you have one that is like right now, Spice bearish, QQQ is very bullish. So one is gonna like mess up with your trade. So if you're playing put on Spy, QQQ can mess up your put play, and if you're playing calls on QQQ, Spy can mess up with that. Tesla, it's looking very bearish with this rejection wick. I kind of like this one for puts. Oh, not right now. You know what? I'm gonna take Tesla puts. Um, I like it there. The 180. Yeah, I got a 237. At 237, my stop loss is gonna be here. Okay. I got yeah, I'm getting more here at 218 and 216. So, okay, my Tesla plays the 180 puts at 5 for this week. My average is 219. Yep, yep. Perfect. That's beautiful. 216. Okay, so your next resistance on Tesla, it's here. I'm sorry, your next support is one around 180.20. And then my main PT is 177 around there. So it's gonna be around 177.25. Damn, that's beautiful. So I'm gonna put an alert here. 180, let's just say. Okay, I'm gonna take profits around 180.50. Yep. And then, yeah, my main PT is 177. QQQ is still fighting there. Ooh, I like these AI. Um okay, I'm gonna trade AI, but this one it's kind of high risk because the market is kind of bearish. So I'm gonna buy the 28 calls. Yeah, I got the 28 calls. My stop loss if it loses this support here. Damn, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm ready to take some Tesla out. So that's almost 30% on that Tesla play. Awesome. Yeah, Tesla still looks weak. SPY also looks weak for me. And QQQ too. So that, okay, Tesla crossing, okay. Yes. Yep, yep. That's what I wanted to see. Look how beautiful these rejection wicks are. Tesla tried to go higher than the morning high and then rejected prim the 90 MA and VWAP. I can't check Google right now because I'm in two trades, so I'll do it after. But I'll do it after when we finish with Tesla and AI. Yep, that's what I want to see on Tesla. Okay, if we lose this 180 support, we're going to 177, 176. Yep. Okay. Damn. The market is dead. And Tesla is definitely weaker than SPY and QQQ. I mean, Tesla puts AI calls. I don't recommend the AI play. Okay, I'm taking a little bit more Tesla here just because I want to lock some profits. Then 60% on Tesla. Woohoo! Did you guys got it? Did you play Tesla too? I think we're gonna be done for the day. Just with this one. Nice. Yeah, Tesla was beautiful. Yeah, Tesla under 180. The next one is 177. Yeah, QQQ it's holding. It's holding very good. So I only have like 3 runners on Tesla. So make sure to lock some profits, like 50%, 30% up. You cannot like not lock profits there. Awesome, Curly's. Um mm, mm, mm. I added a little bit more on AI at 65. Again, I don't recommend this trade. But yeah, I'm in AI as long as we're holding this support here. And I see QQQ holding support here. SPY could go back up here, and just uh for a little bounce and then go back down to 410. So, Tesla is holding 480. I'm sorry, 180. So pay attention to that. We could go higher here to 181, 147, and then reject this resistance and reject the 90 MA VWAP. But again, if you have 50% on profit, if you got 50% on a play, 100% on a play, like this one on Tesla, like you don't need to be greedy and not sell. I'm gonna take this screen here because I can't see. Okay, so I guess my support is here. Yeah, this candle, it's a clear rejection of 180. You want to see something like this. But also Tesla is too far from the 90 MA and the VWAP. Let's see. QQQ is holding like very good. And whenever I see a gap that it gets filled, I always see kind of like holding there at support. So for me, if it wasn't that I see a SPY this week, I would have taken QQQ calls here just because the risk to reward is too good. You have a big gap here to fill, and then you are right at support. So if we go, let's see. Okay, let's go here. Okay, no, the other way. Long. So your reward is here, and then the risk right there. So pretty much you have 4.21, which is amazing for a play. You're risking only 0.48 to maybe make 5.20. So no bad at all. I'm not saying to risk money, I'm just saying like it's not a bad risk to reward play. But looks bearish. Looks bearish, but Tesla is kind of trying to go higher here. You want to see what Tesla is going to do at 181 or 180.90. Yeah, this is what you want to see if you're in puts. So what are you guys playing today? You guys in Tesla? Did you took Tesla? Mm, okay, what's my support here? Here. Awesome. 50%? Congrats. Yeah, if you got 50%, 100%, you should be done for the day. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of AI. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna wait how this candle is gonna close and see if QQQ can hold this week. 3:30. Okay. Yeah, definitely out. Mm-mm. We are on Tesla puts, but it's too late to get in now. Awesome. Awesome. So happy with a Tesla play. Beautiful. Beautiful. Damn, and QQQ lost the support here. The next one is 328. See, look these wicks. These are clear 180 rejection here. Yep, yep. I mean, this couldn't be more easy, this trade. If you compare Tesla with SPY, they look the same. Yeah, SPY, just look the volume. The volume is all red. Only one bar that is green, and it's a bearish green candle with a clear rejection of resistance. Meta is resilient. Doesn't want, like, it's holding, doesn't look good, but it's still holding this 246 support. So these tell me that Meta is very strong. So when if we have a green move today or the rest of the week, watch for Meta to go back up to 252, maybe 253, 254. That's your next resistance there. Okay, let's see how SPY is gonna act at 410. 410's been the very strong, like was a very strong support for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 for 13 days. A little bit more. So let's see, let's see. But the volume is all red. Tessie, Tessie, Tessie. So beautiful. Okay, I see 100 people here and only 57 likes. Come on, guys. Only with this Tesla trade, it's more than 100%. More than 50, I'm sorry. More than 50%. You should give me some love here. I need a little more likes. More likes, likes, likes. Click, click, click. Click, click, click. Click, click, click. Likes, likes, likes. Click, click, click. We're 75% up on Tesla. Let's go. Give me 100. Give me 100, Tessie. Give me 100. Come on, give me 100%, Tessie. I think everybody played Tesla today. I mean, it's just that chart was so easy. Ooh. Okay, so Tessie rejected the 180. Your next support is 177. 177. 85 likes. We need a little bit more likes. I see 100 people here, more than 100. Come on. Come on. I mean, why not? Why not? So I have two runners from last week, from when I got a 25 or and 26, but not the ones that I bought today. Okay, I see you spies trying to bounce here. Let's see if can Tesla reject this next resistance here, 179.42, 41. 331. Yeah, maybe it can retest this resistance. Yeah. So far, we're good. It's rejecting resistance. Yeah, right? 180 rejection. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Meta, it's running. Meta, it's running. But still, I don't want to play anything against the market. If you see the market changing direction, and yeah, you can play Meta. Even AI is only very good. I just took a little bit more profit on Tesla. The Tesla 180 put today is up almost 200%. Yep. Mm. Okay, let's see if QQ can break this 331 resistance or it's gonna reject again. If rejects again, you know the downtrend is gonna continue. Ooh, you know what I'm kind of liking right now? This Amazon on the daily keeps rejecting this 116 level. I want to see how it's gonna close today on the daily. Yeah, look these wicks. I do like this. The thing is that SPY near support. So we could bounce and I see QQQ holding here. But yeah, I like this play for puts for a swing trade. The thing is like, yeah, with Powell speaking later today, and then we have data coming to like tomorrow, swinging could be tricky this week. But yeah, look this beautiful rejection here on QQQ. We're rejecting the 90 MA and this resistance. So yeah, I'm very happy with my trade today with Tesla. I made more than what I lost yesterday with Apple and SPY. So, you know, sometimes good, sometimes shit. But today is very good. Very good. Oh yeah, we had Nvidia earnings after after close, right? So there's a few things like why the market is moving kind of weird. We have Powell speaking today. We have tomorrow. I think we have jobs report tomorrow or Friday. Yeah. And we don't know what's gonna happen with the debt ceiling. Well, we know. It's just like the news, they come with weird like headlines, but we know what it's gonna happen because it always happens the same. And what's the other one? Oh, and we have Nvidia earnings after close. Nvidia earnings can like really move the entire market because if Nvidia doesn't like Nvidia, it's almost at all-time high, like very close. Let's see. Mm, well, it was very close to all-time high. But Nvidia ran a lot the past few days. So, and Nvidia is like the main stock for AI. So if Nvidia comes with bad earnings or not like amazing earnings, it's gonna go down, and it's gonna move Alphabet, it's gonna move Microsoft and Meta also. And if all that move down, the entire market is gonna go down. Yeah, Spike definitely wants to go to 410. Yep. Okay, we're at 410. We're at support, but look the volume here. The volume is all red. All red. Yeah, did anybody took that 331 retest on QQQ for puts? That was a very clean retest here. Look, rejected and 90 MA also acting as rejection point. I want to see if AI is gonna hold here. I'm not gonna play AI today, or at least not before Powell. I just want to see if on the daily can hold this support. Because if can hold this support, it's still making lower, higher lows, higher low, higher low. Yeah. But so right now looks bearish. Awesome. What percentage do you got on that 331 retest? You sleeping? Why do I have 50%? 22? Awesome. Look how beautiful this 90 MA rejection here on Tesla. Couldn't be more clean. VIX running. I know, right? What a morning. Happy with my day. Okay, time for the snack. The snack of the day. So I have all this. So which flavor we're gonna try today? We have the salty peanut. Salty peanut. Sounds good. The white chocolate. The hazelnut. The creamy crisp. I don't know what this means. I don't know what the flavor is. Krispy Kreme. I'm sorry, creamy crisps. I don't know what flavor is that. And I have also the cookies and cream, but I tried last week the cookies and cream, so not today this one. So which one's gonna be? The creamy crisp, the hazelnut, the salty peanut, or white chocolate? Help me decide for one. I kind of want to try the salty peanut. The creamy crisps? This one? Crispy Kreme? It's creamy crisp. Okay, I guess the creamy crisp is winning. Yeah, I'm gonna try that one. So, snack of the day are the barbell bar. So far, this bar have been like amazing. It has 200 calories, 20 grams of protein, 19 grams of carbs, and what else? No, 1 gram of sugar. Let's see. Saltiness. Ooh, kind of melting here. Wait, do you put the eggs on the shake? Or just eat it like you cook the egg and then make the protein shake? Because I don't know, raw eggs. This one is good also. At the end, it has something that is a little bit salty. Okay. At the end, has something that is a little bit salty, but it mixes very good with the sweet of the bar. It's good. And it has something crispy. I like the crispy sound. I mean, who's hungry? I am. Yeah, that's true. American has great like snacks, like bars, but not food. It's very good. It has like something crunchy at the top, and then in the middle you have like the creamy thing. The brand is Barbells. I bought all the flavors because I saw them everywhere on TikTok. Everybody was talking about it. And honestly, they're very good and good macros. Compared to other like compared to like Quest and BB or PB are very good. I'll be back in like 1 minute. Yeah, it has no sugar. I'm sorry, 1 gram of sugar only. I'll be back. And I'm back. Okay, AI, I see you. I see you. I see you. It wouldn't surprise me if Spy changed direction here and we bounce back to either pre morning print, opening print, yeah, to 412.50. Or maybe we just stay here and then before Powell it start moving crazy. I'm only holding two Tesla puts. Those are runners. And I holding also two AI calls from last week. So we have three more flavors to try for next week. I'm sorry for the rest of the week. So we have the hazelnut, the white chocolate, and salty peanuts. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, should we go over the Tesla play today? A little walk through the Tesla put play today. I think I want to talk about two things. One, the Tesla play, and the other one is the fail breakout that Spy did till 420. That's Let's just go over those 2 points. Um, yeah. Okay, today's 24. Okay. Let's go over first the Tesla play. Mm, okay. So Okay, so first of all, if we look the daily on Tesla, okay, this daily. This daily from yesterday was very ugly, very bearish. So today I was definitely expecting a red day for Tesla. I honestly I wanted to hold it like I wanted to look for a I wanted to look for a put play, but I wanted Tesla a little bit higher. I wanted Tesla around here, around 185, 184. But we opened at 182.20, 23 around there. So if we the entry here. Okay, Tesla pre-market. Your pre-market low was pre-market low is around 180, 190, but you can see a support and resistance here around 182.50. That's your support and resistance there. So in the morning, Tesla kind of tried to bounce here from when this week. That's a bounce from pre-market low, and then it got rejected very hard on the second 5-minute candle. So when I was looking, okay, so my resistance right now with those two candles in the morning are around 182.81, 183. And then the 90 EMA, which is the pink line, in my VWAP here, we're going down. So for me, it means that the volume is red, not green. That's one indication of that you have more sellers than buyers. And then with this 5-minute candle here, it's showing a clear rejection and it's trying to go higher, at least to morning print or morning high. And it got rejected like very hard with this candle, also with this one, and this one. When I saw this rejection, that's when I was like, okay, I need to get a Tesla put, because that's a clear rejection of pre-market low, morning high, 90 EMA, and VWAP. And then also the SPY, if we look SPY was also very weak. If we see SPY in the morning here, it looks kind of like Tesla, but a little bit more weaker, because it never go higher or at the morning 412.42. So it was always pretty much always rejecting pre-market low and 90 EMA and VWAP. So, and then after that, it was very easy play to hold, because you have always like beautiful rejection here, 90 EMA and VWAP keeps going down. You have this candle, it's opening below the one before. Also this one, I had on the daily, I had 180 support. So I was like, okay, we either bounce off 180 or we break 180. So around 180, I took, I think it was around 30% profit there. So not 30% profit. I took, my contracts were around 30% up. And then when we broke the 180 support with a very strong candle here, and then we retested and it was a clear rejection of previous support that now it's acting as resistance. So my next target is 177, around 177, 176.80. That's your next support on Tesla. So right now what Tesla is doing, so from here I took profits here, I took profit a little bit here, I took profits here. So these contracts were up 70%. So I took profit at 80%, I'm sorry, at 30%, 40%, 50%, 55. So that's how you should play any of your trade, so you can lock profit and then you feel a little bit more comfortable holding if it bounce. So here it was a clear 90 EMA rejection with a strong engulfing red candle. And then here Tesla is kind of trying to go higher, but still you need 180 keep acting as resistance. And yeah, if as long as Tesla is under 180, I'm gonna keep holding my runners because my PT, my main PT, is 177, 176.80. So yep, that's it. Very easy. With because you're trading with the market, whatever the market is giving you. So Tesla was very weak pre-market and SPY was also very weak pre-market. And it keeps being weak. It bounces from 110, I'm sorry, from 410, 410.50, 410 is a strong support from the past. So we'll see if we can really keep holding that support because we've touched 410 a lot of time. Excuse me. We touch a lot of time 410. We'll see. We could bounce here. But Tesla keeps being like weak here. When you have like a red engulfing candle, so engulfing means this candle is bigger than the one before, so that's your direction. If you have a red engulfing candle, your direction is gonna be bearish. If you have a green engulfing candle, like let's see, like this one here compared to the one before, so your direction is gonna be bullish. Yeah. So now I want to go over what a failed breakout is, because looking at what SPY did the past, okay, wait, on the daily, okay, let's forget what happened, what is happening today and the day before. Okay. Okay, so SPY here, it was on a very strong resistance, which was 414. And it was kind of like doing like a bounce from 410 till 414, went back down to 410, and then 413, and then 410 again, and then 413, 412. And it was like doing that for like 10 days, doing nothing pretty much. And then we broke, no wait, SPY broke very hard that 414 resistance with an engulfing candle and also with a high volume here. High volume here. So, and then it broke the 417, which also was a strong resistance here. And in the past, here too, resistance for 17 here too. And then we SPY went till 420, which was your next resistance. So when yesterday SPY broke down and it broke 417, so it didn't hold 417, that's a fail breakout. Why? Because you have a break of resistance here and here with high volume and a strong engulfing candle. So for me, I think the most important thing is to hold the retest of those resistance that now should act as support. If it is a real breakout or a real break of support of retest, I'm sorry. So SPY, okay, broke out with a very strong engulfing candle, and then you have one day touching that support, which is very good. It's very healthy. You have the next day also touching that support. And when you have the third day that it completely failed, holding that support that it used to be a very strong resistance, then for 2 days acted as a strong support, and then you have a break of that support with a very strong, like very big engulfing red candle. That's a fail, completely fail of resistance break. And then you have also SPY breaking down the 414 support here. And we broke, not even like touching that support. We broke it just opening the next day with a gap down and then keeps going down. So that's a clear, the 412, I'm sorry, the 417 resistance break is a clear failed breakout when you have something like this. And we break it with a high, like yesterday when we break that support, it had a high volume too. And we didn't break it because of news. It was just a technical breakout. Because when you have news that change your direction, that's completely normal. And I wouldn't say that it's a failed breakout because it's moving to the other way just by news. But we didn't have news yesterday for this red candle here. Can I watch Netflix? Okay. Um, Netflix? Um, well, it can go again to 365, and you want to see if it's gonna keep acting as a rejection, like if it's gonna keep acting as resistance, because on the daily you have resistance here, 365, 365 resistance, kind of trying here. You want to see it here, resistance too, but I also see this break of downtrend. So I guess you need to wait and see. It depends what are you looking on Netflix. You want to play calls, you want to play puts, are you already on calls or puts? I don't know. But Netflix is like broke the downtrend. So it can go, if breaks 365.55, which is today high, if can go above today high, it's gonna keep going till it's gonna go back to 375. Meta. I mean, I like Meta for a swing trade, for a put swing trade. Like, look how clear this whole 250 zone, it's rejection. Like very clear rejection of 350. So you can say from 348 to 354 meta, it's rejecting all that. That's a big chunk to reject. And the daily on Monday kind of looks bearish with a huge wick here. So that's a clear strong rejection. Yesterday, it's an ugly bearish candle too with a huge wick. Another very clear rejection. And then today kind of looks the same. It could close as yesterday. Yeah, so Meta, it's a good one. The only thing is that I can see 243, 242 as support. Yeah, I like Meta for a put swing trade. Just by looking the daily candles, I like it for more down, for a bigger down move. It's just like SPY, it's right at support, and we have Powell speaking today and data tomorrow. So that's funny. Oh yeah, if we have debt ceiling info today, that's definitely gonna move the market. Ooh, it's 11 already. I can't wait to eat. I made on Monday I made chia seed pancakes with egg whites and cookies and no peanut butter. I'm sorry, Reese's protein and what else? Oh, and a little bit of Kodiak um pancake mix. And that's what I'm gonna have today for breakfast or lunch. I just love breakfast, so I eat breakfast at lunchtime. I have the birthday flavor Kodak or Kodiak pancake protein mix. 8 a.m. in Cali. So at what time do you wake up, Brian? Every day? Or at least to trade? Like a 4 in the morning? I love the Kodiak pancake mix. The the chocolate chips are very good. I bought the birthday cake, sorry, yeah, the birthday cake flavor just to try them, but I don't really love it. I prefer the regular one or the chocolate chips one. 5 in the morning. No, that's too early for me. So before doing the stream, I will wake up around 8, 8:30 sometimes, sometimes 9. And now I need to wake up at 7 and it's so difficult for me. Like I'm all sleepy already around 3 afternoon in the afternoon. So I wake up at 7, sometimes 8. Like today, I snooze my alarm and I wake up at 8 and I was running everywhere and like, no, I need to get ready. And I just make coffee and that's it. I don't eat before the stream. I try to fast a little bit. So I finish eating every single day around 5, maybe 6, and then I break my fast here with the snacks, here on the stream with my snacks, and then I eat right away, right after I finish the stream, and then I go to the gym and work out. And then I eat again when after working out, and that's it. I'm only holding two Tesla contracts. So basically, I'm in Tesla, but not really because those two contracts are completely risk-free. Yeah, I know. Like if I have to wake up at 5 or 6, that's too much for me. Yeah, I know. I mean, I had when I was in high school, I had to wake up at 6. So yeah, I know we get used to it. It's just like I fall asleep like at 3 in the morning. So that's why it's so difficult for me to wake up too early. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, John. Okay, if Tesla breaks VWAP, I'm gonna sell the rest of my position. Yeah, chia seeds. Oh yeah, Brian. I used to wake up at 6 to work out before the market open, and then at 1 afternoon or two, I needed to take a nap. Otherwise, I would be like so sleepy and so tired the rest of the day. So I felt like I was dead at 2. For dementia, I need that. My grandma has Parkinson's and dementia. So I try to eat very healthy, like chia seeds, olive oil, nuts, salmon, avocado. I don't do keto because I eat carbs, but I eat like right now I'm eating like very low in carbs. Okay, wait. I'm gonna I'm gonna sell that the last two Tesla contracts that I have. Yeah. So right now I'm only holding two contracts of AI that I bought on Friday last week, and both are 30 right now 36% up. So yeah. In fact, I really like what AI is doing. And because Spy had support, yeah, I like what AI is doing. I still believe AI could go to 29 again. Yeah. Yeah, look that. So AI wigged me out here today, but I still holding two from last week. But AI could move with whatever Nvidia is gonna do tomorrow or pre aftermarket today or pre-market tomorrow. Because Nvidia is the main hardware seller for the whole AI thing. So if Nvidia does good, AI is gonna move higher. If Nvidia does bad or not good enough and goes down, AI could go down too. Yeah, definitely love the daily on AI. Okay. Now 55% up on those AI calls. Um, if AI close like this on the daily, this could be like a very good call swing trade. Can't wait to eat and then work out. I have a upper body like workout today. mainly shoulders. Should I play spy calls here at 4:10? Well, it's already going, but kind of a little bit late. But I was thinking of playing like a little scalp call play here with these wicks here showing me support. It was rejecting 90 MA, but I still like that we're holding for 10. Um, no. I the good entry was a 2025. Also, it depends. Are you buying shares for a long term position, like 5 years, 10 years? Yeah, it's never too late to buy for a long term. But if you're looking to buy for, like, I don't know, 5 months or a few weeks, no. Also, AI earnings are coming. Are coming on June 1st. So on before June 1st, we can have like AI going to 30 or 31 and then sales a little bit. Because for me, because they release earnings before, like I think they release earning on the 15th or 17th before the earnings. So that could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of move. No, for swing play, well, yeah, you can swing. I think I like AI for a swing play, using 26 as your stop loss for next week. I wouldn't do it for this week, even though if we hadn't Powell talking today and all the data coming this week, I will be looking for swinging AI, honestly. But I don't want to swing anything with everything that is coming this week. Look this spy. I knew 410 was gonna hold. Yeah, I definitely love AI. Like, the thing is, like, we're not patient because, okay, AI was a clear um swing, like swing call play. Just look at this daily. Okay, AI, first of all, I've been looking AI since forever. I played this move and I think I got like 350% here. And then I had this 29 resistance, this 25, 20, and 16 support. So when I saw AI kind of around here, I was like, okay, AI, it's gonna go to 16, which never went there, but it's okay. I was like, okay, I either can swing AI at 16 or at 20 because I never thought AI was gonna break here at 20. I always thought AI was gonna hold 20, but it went down here. So, and then AI moved here because they released earnings early when they that's why they broke these resistance 25 resistance. So if you see AI daily here, okay, it broke 25 resistance with a very strong candle, probably with a high volume. Yeah, kind of high volume here, here, and here. Definitely higher than before. Like if you see before, AI had like no volume at all, and then you have high volume here and here and here. So here it's when we took the break and retest plate at 25. So 25, it's your clear support. And the trend you can see on the daily, it has a uptrend here. So I don't see why I didn't play like longer term calls on AI. Because for me, it was always like, okay, if we're holding 25, it's bullish. Like you don't really need to think too much on this play. It hold 25 is bullish because 25 used to be a very strong resistance. Now it's support. So in yesterday it was red, but it's still holding, like it's making higher lows here and higher highs. Today it's holding 26, 27, which is higher than 25 also. So that's a clear call play here. So I should have taken calls here at 25 with 2 weeks out, and then you sailed at 29 because I knew 29 was resistance, and then keep holding more for next week. But sadly, I only have 2 calls for this week. I'm up on those calls like 50%. Let me check. Right now, 32% up. And I'm gonna keep holding as long as we keep using 26 as support. Also, I'm very up on this play from Friday and Thursday. So 2 runners on this play, it's like a no-brainer for me. Um, Honestly, lately I haven't done like a long-term swing trade because we're having too much data coming up, the Fed stocking, the debt ceiling, so I don't feel comfortable holding swings for too long. But I used to do like month of swing trades, and I love them because they're very like stress free. I'm looking if I want to take AI calls. Let's see. I want to see what's my risk to reward here. So if I take AI calls here with a PT 33, my stop loss is 25. Yeah, my stop loss will be this candle wick here on the daily, which is around 25.10, and my PT 33. It's 33.50. So that's a 2.65 risk to reward ratio. Mm, I don't. I like it, but I don't like everything about above 1.90 is good, or above 2. Let's just make it easier. Everything above 2 is good. Why not 27.32? So my entry will be a little bit lower here. So the risk to reward is 2.8, which is very good. Ooh, I might take it. I might take this one, just playing with Tesla profits here. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. Very tempting. This is very tempting. Mm, it's a AI. I use that daily to find my support and resistance. In fact, I think yesterday. Okay, wait. On Yeah, on yesterday's video at 1:26. Um, wait. Yeah, on yesterday's video, you can see how I I chart my support and resistance levels. I posted that on the Discord. Watch this 248 249 rejection on meta. If rejects, it's definitely you can play. I think put will be an amazing play. If break 248 and holds, it's gonna go back to 250. I mean 252. It's gonna go back to 252. But SPY, as long as it's holding above 410, it's bullish. Wednesday. McCarthy in 5 minutes. Oh, we have McCarthy in 5 minutes. Hey, Desi. Hey, Vincenzo. And and Powell at 2. Yeah, definitely. I like AI. Watch if it can break morning high. If you can break 2770, 2790 and hold, it's gonna go back to 29. Thank you, Brian. I think you're the best. Like I never know what important like speaker is coming, and you're always like, let me know who's gonna speak today and if we have any important info to be careful. I'm here thinking, should I get AI calls or not? Whoa, what's going on? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. I don't know. See, no, see, no, see, no. Okay, I think I'm done for today. Amazing Tesla trade, 50% profit on that one. Very happy with that one. I'm holding two contracts of AI. Both are around 30% up. So I'm happy with that too. So thank you guys for being here. See you tomorrow. Thank you for the likes. I hope you guys liked the stream today. If you have any question, just comment on the video below. Uh, comment on the video here. So yeah, happy Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Bye.